Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel YouTube short suggestions. When you launch the app and you got a bunch of suggestions from random creators, random channels, people that you don't follow, nothing related to your own interests. Let me show you how you can actually cancel these suggestions once for all. Launch the YouTube app first. There you have it, you have a bunch of short suggestions. So all we gotta do is you wanna click on the three dots on top of each of these shorts, okay? And you want to say not interested, you want to click not interested, you want to click here not interested, you want to click here not interested. Okay, now we want to refresh, and guess what, no more short suggestions. This is how simple it is, guys. Very important, because if you don't do nothing about it, right, of the content you're not interested in, you simply have to keep going and watching stuff that you're not interested, right? So it doesn't make any sense. Better for you, better for YouTube, so they will be able to provide you with content that you really matters to you. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.